matter?
I fell.
Oh, goodness me.
That was fun.
One more time. Let's go.
One more time.
We'll wave at Graham going slow by us when we go past our door. Okay? Okay, here we go. Here we go. Back it up. Wait. Go slower so we can wave. Okay, go ahead. Hello. Whee! Let's go around the horn. I bet this looks funny from the outside. We'll wave at her again. What?